Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today got a new Tugs mock. It's original livery sunshine. So it's basically what I did was made a copy of these, which are his original. There's his head and his back there. So all I did was just did it white and made another funnel. Yeah, it's the other funnel. This funnel isn't as tall as this funnel, but that's because of part restrictions. So and so yeah, his head still turns. Damn it. Well, with this part of the back, I took it off the original back part, and I've done some things to 10 cents as well. As you can see, I made his body a bit shorter for this part. Well, I didn't make it shorter, but I put a porthole, whatever it's called, in the middle there. And I did some silver on his lamp there, as you can see, and on his porthole. So yeah, nothing too different with the face there. And yeah, as you can see, done some things on Hercules' name boards there, and nothing too much with that. So yeah, so I will be using 10 cents this sunshine in probably some remakes. Like in, what was it, in Sunshine, when 10 cents and Sunshine bumped into each other. So, yeah, so, that's it for now, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.